The government has already weaved plans to ensure security for the APEC Leaders Summit in November. This as Francis Tolentino recently submitted his resignation as MMDA chairman amid the upcoming World Summit. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valtes said agencies have been assigned to ensure safety, security, and traffic flow during the APEC Summit in Manila. The palace has yet to announce who will replace Tolentino in his vacated post.
Wala pa hong nababanggit ang Pangulo kung meron na hong itatalaga bilang kapalit nga ho ni Chairman Tolentino. But May, meron ho kasing Joint Security Task Committee or ang Security Committee po ng APEC National Organizing Council. Binubuo po yan ng PNP, binubuo po yan ng AFP, ng DND, ng mga security related offices sa ating pamahalaan. Kasama po dyan, sinabi ko ba yung DILG? Baka magtampo sila, hindi ko sila nabanggit. But binubuo po yan ng mga opisinang may kinalaman po sa seguridad at sila po yung nagbubuo at mag-i-implement ng ating mga plano, lalo ho dyan sa traffic. Kasi alam ko PNP po ang on the ground doon sa traffic preparations.